Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to Merci Non Regarde channel. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If it's your first time of seeing me, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel. Like my channel. You don't pay for it. Share my channel to your friends and family. You are doing me a favor. May the good God bless you. Bless your hands work. Bless everything you lay your hands on. If you are not a YouTuber yet, what are you waiting for? Be part of us. May the good God bless you. My channel is about living a healthy life. If you want to look beautiful, 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 if you want to live healthy, you are in the right place. For today, for my makeup, I have used only wet and dry foundation. It comes like this. I have used only this for my makeup. Then I have also used this one too. This is what I have used for my makeup today, because it's not everybody that can afford many products. We have this conceal, for example, but I did not use this. We have this perfect foundation. I did not use this. We have this nacre. Nacre is to beautify your makeup. We have bronze. Our LED comes like this, that it will last you. It will last you. We have this too. Your brush for your makeup. We have different products. We have amazing products. So if you live in Europe, you can be part of me. It's free registration. You will be having 50% discount for your personal use. Use good things for yourself. Oh my God. So if you want to live healthy, you are in the right place. You know that about 300 years ago, when one gets to 50 years, it's already old. 50 years is already old. But nowadays, we know that we need to take care of our body, because we are what we eat. We know that we need to drink water, we need to eat vegetable, we need to eat fruits, we need to do exercise, we need to live healthy. Today we are knowing more things. We study every day to know more things, you know. So we learn every day. Today, even though you are 80 years, you are 90 years, we learn every day. We continue to take good care of ourselves. Oh my God. So today, I will be unboxing my fantastic products. Yes, I will be unboxing my fantastic products. I will do it with you, you know. So let's see what is inside this package. This package that have just come. Let's go. Okay, I have unboxed the package. It comes like this. What are inside? This is omega 3. Oh my God, there are many benefits. There are many benefits. Oh my God, this is red lipstick. We have fantastic makeup. This is called Contour Orchid Q10. Q10. This is face cream. Very good for your face. It will remove the under eyes, that black that are under eyes. It's a very good face cream. I have been using it since last year. It's amazing. I really love it. If you are looking for a good face cream, you are in the right place. So let's see the next one. This is vitamin C. Yes, it has many benefits. Let's see the next one. Oh my God, yes, this is tea. Amazing. You can drink it cold or hot. It's amazing. It's a big help for you can add it to your detox water. Next time I will prepare a detox water, we add it to my detox water. We also now know that detox water it has many benefits to our body. Now it's coming summer. We want to prepare our body. Oh my God. So here, what is inside here? Let's see what is inside here. Oh wow, this is earrings. We also have amazing earrings. Let me show you. Yes, it comes like this. I don't know. It comes like this. Very beautiful. Okay. What else do we have? Oh my God. Okay, let's see what else we have. Wow, yes. This one is for washing machine. It's a detergent for washing machine, for washing your clothes. It's amazing product. I have been using it since last year. It's amazing product. So we have many amazing products. You can also choose the what you like. If you like the healthy way, you can also be doing healthy way alone. If you like makeup way, you can be doing only makeup way. If you like detergent where we have many detergent for many things. We have for washing of windows, we have for washing of plates, we have anything, washing of cars. There, so if you like to also do that, it's also good. Me, I'm doing all together. I am all